We can finally live on our own.
Let's build fast and enjoy life. Or build right and survive.
Done already? Good enough. Zechariah.
Told you it was easy. We're set for life.
You kick, smooth plets. There's still rotten a 7 for life. Easy prey. Little pig, let me in.
Help! Open up! He destroyed it. He's coming.
Relax. This house is strong.
He's right behind us.
Inside. Now. Then I'll blow this one down. Then I'll find another way.
We were wrong.
We should have listened. Strong walls and stronger together.